Hi, I'm Melissa Hurt. I'm the author of I Am the Jungle, A Yoga Adventure, illustrated by the amazing Katy Tanis. I developed the story I Am the Jungle when I was teaching yoga to my daughter's preschool group. And I was doing yoga with these beautiful, radiant children, and I thought there needs to be a book that captures their vivid imaginations and how kids are natural storytellers through their entire bodies. And with that, I created I Am the Jungle. This is also a yoga story where the grown-ups can also have a well-balanced yoga practice as they read it and do the yoga with their child. So with that, let's look at Katy's gorgeous illustrations and read I Am the Jungle. So of course the opening spread is beautiful. Sometimes I feel like a wild child because I never stop running around. I just like going places. Today, I'm going to the jungle. I inhale as I sweep my arms out to the side and overhead. I gently arch my back and gaze towards the sky. I feel my feet on the ground. My breath moves my belly out and in like a gentle wave. Inhale, release. Inhale, release. Inhale, release. I am a steady mountain. I balance on one foot and make a triangle with my legs. I feel grounded and free. My arms are touching the sky. I'm the tallest tree in the jungle. I feel the branches swishing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I feel playful and grand as I glide through the branches. My arms spread wide and my lifted leg long like tail feathers as I swoop and dip. I'm a Tarako flying through the jungle trees. I see the ground shaking, quaking, and quivering below me. I feel powerful as I grow into a giant with my feet wide and steady on the ground. I tell the whole jungle that the mountain gorilla is moving through. A loud trumpet fills the air. I'm an elephant, and I love to swing my trunk from one side back down and to the other side up high. In the distance, I hear a rich, rumbly roar. I kneel with my head rising tall and proud. I lean forward on my powerful paws. I breathe in and roar. I am a lion. Ahead, I sense something slide through the grass. I feel my hiss turn low and slow. Hiss, hiss, hiss. I'm long and strong as I slither through the tall grasses. I'm a rock python, raising my head as I take in the hot sun. My chest spreads wide and I feel mighty. I'm attracted to the cool water. I sit tall and feel movement inside my long legs. I'm the Congo River flowing through the jungle. I breathe in and reach up. I feel serene as my hands reach to my toes and then slide all the way up my legs. I gently shush the water's current. I notice the light begins to speckle. I arch my back and prop my arms close to my body with the top of my head resting on the ground. I'm a tigerfish dashing to the surface to catch my prey. I feel a pitter-patter in the breeze above the water's surface. I feel calm and light with the bottoms of my feet together. I am a beautiful forester butterfly. I float and feel my wings flutter as I soar across the sky. Overhead, I see a breezy cloud. I sit with my legs crossed and my head floating high. I'm a cloud. I feel cool air moving through my nose and into my belly. I notice warm air leaving my nose. I am calm, happy, and free. All of the jungle lives inside of me. And then the final spread are all of the yoga poses you just did. And they're also written in their Sanskrit names, which is the language of yoga. And beneath that, you have the benefits for doing the poses for your body and your mind. And then the final image is a beautiful image by Katy that really sums up the beautiful playfulness of the book. So this is I Am the Jungle, a yoga adventure. I hope that you enjoyed this book as much as I have enjoyed reading it to you. Thank you.